All right, guys, what's up? Welcome to part two of James and I's, call it a monthly match, right? The monthly match. We're on hole 10, just a little score update. James is currently +1, I am +3. Hole 9, we had a nice little two-stroke swing. He bogeyed, I birdied. So yeah, honestly, we're just gonna keep it going. I'm gonna try and go ahead and take this one, but I got some work to do. So we're on hole 10. Let's see, what is hole 10? It is a 216 foot. That does not sound right. That is a lie. 216 foot par three. I think it plays like 300. Yeah, so I don't know what line they took to get to the basket, but that's not it. Yeah, so I'm going with my Octane. We're just gonna try and get it in play, really. I like that. Get a good skip. Oh, kind of like a forward flare skip.
All right. I'm going with bomb stamped Star Wraith on a forehand. Kind of do a spike hyzer, hope it flips up, gets around the corner, skips all the way right, park it for the 2. Here we go. Oh, I missed my line, but that's going to get sneaky. That's parked. That's the luckiest shot I've ever had on this hole. And it's probably 10 feet from the basket.
It looks different in my brain. Okay. You said it's recording? Okay. All right, guys, welcome to my lie. I'm like within circle 2, but I really don't. Ow, that was a branch. I don't really have a putt at it, so I'm just going to take my Razor Claw 3 and do just a little forehand. I'm going to give it a run because I don't think I'll get punished if I miss it a little bit. Just can't like power it too much. Go in. Oh, off a cage. All right, well, that should be a pretty easy like cleanup for me. So not getting punished for giving it a run, but at least I can say I did.
All right. I see my drive. I'm actually long of this basket for once, which we've never done before. I've been pin high to the right. Seriously? Oh. Anyways, I have 30-footer for birdie luck. Take a stroke up on Noah. Oh, I overthought it again. Again, player 2. Holy cow. Just, I mean, you can go.
No, it's fine.
Okay. You guys can't see me right now, but I'm actually not the greatest of putts, but I don't know why he tries to play these mind games. It never works. But there's his putt. Both pars. Still 2-stroke lead for me, which I like.
All right, guys, we're on hole 11. This is a painful hole for James and I. James has aced out twice in a day here. I mean, I've gone over the basket, left the basket, right of the basket. We've been all over this one. So, but we do love this hole as much as it doesn't love us back. It's like a bad ex-girlfriend. So, I mean, it's 221 uphill. You can see it right there. It's just right there, basking in all its glory to be aced. So I'm going to go ahead and do it right here then. Said that, so now I have to throw a good shot. That's terrifying, but we'll make it happen. Oh, I'm going to throw it incredibly low, but that's a birdie putt. All right, it's all you, dog.
All right. Yeah, like you said, I hit chains once. It was high right, and I hit the top of the basket. If you count that as a chain out or something, I'm gonna do a forehand with my Wraith. I'm gonna trying to get it flat, flip up on the left side, beat the trees, go straight in. That's the goal. Will I do it? Let's find out. Oh, drop. Instead, I actually made it to the top of the hill, which we've never done before.
Again, I have done that.
You have? When have you done that?
I've done that. I've skipped up there before.
You've skipped up there, but...
Oh, you meant like air shot?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I don't know how far I am up the hill, but I'll let Noah hold on to that. I see one of his discs, but I might be out of frame. Yes, that's... Oh, I tripped over that. Oh, I see it. Oh. I have a putt. But the thing is, do I run this or not? All right, I'm going to give it a run. That was a bad run, but yeah.
All right, y'all. This is a 266-foot par 3. You're going to hit this gap here with all these trees, and then it just barely filters right. So James is going to want to probably throw a forehand that goes straight and then just tapers off right, or he's going to throw like a little flexy backhand. I think that honestly will probably suit this a little bit better. I suck at this hole. I very rarely make it out the gap. I usually am 50 to 75 feet in front of us and right under these trees. Take a bogey, double bogey. For the video though, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to actually try, so I'll succeed and hit the gap. So yeah, I'm going to start off the tee pad a little bit and try to give myself a little bit better of a run up. Just take my fuse and throw it nice and easy. Oh. All right, I am 30 feet in front of us with a great shot.
Yeah, again, that's what not to do. I'm going to try and show you what to do. I'm going to do a forehand with my drop breaker zone on hyzer. Hope it flips up to flat and just rides to the right and go in the chains. That's the goal. But it all depends on if I hit this gap or not. Oh!
That got ground action. That's going to be real close.
I don't think you got too much ground action, but that should be park. Or not parked, like circle 1.
All right, guys. I'm putting the mic on. Mic's on. Walking up to my lie. Oh, look, a good 30-foot jog. Here I'm going to take my C-Line FD3, put it on some nice anhyzer, and just try and let it flex out. Here we go. Give it some good power, too. I need it to get down there. Oh, mother trucker. All right, well, it was a good attempt. I won't be upset about it, but I will be upset about it because I wanted to get down to the basket. Okay, guys, I've got a nice look at the basket. I have to give this a run. James is like 30 feet in front of me. That's a very makeable putt for James. That's absolutely one that he would make in my face. So I at least have to save the stroke, but I'm hoping that he misses it and we can just tie if I make this. When I make this. Oh, bad run. Bad run. Good sit at the basket.
All right, this could be a possible 2-stroke swing here if I make this. I'm probably 40, 45 feet, maybe 50. There's a tiny tree just to the right of the basket that's kind of in my way of the flight, but it doesn't matter. Here we go. That's in. Oh, no, it's not. Nope, that's not even it. Well, still tapping par. I'll take that. I still have a 1-stroke lead. That's all that matters. Goes in for the tap, huh?
Oh, you're gonna be up.
Yeah. So like that, I'm gonna be up 2 strokes. That almost spat out. All right, that was a par for me. Bogey for Noah, 2 strokes through 13. On to the next one. All right, on hole 13, it says 320 feet, but it plays further than that. We have a decent left to right wind, which is actually good for the line I'm going. I'm going giant Anheuser flex, so the disc will want to go right, and then this disc is stable enough to come back to the left. It's worked before, and hopefully it'll work again. But if it doesn't, I'm screwed. Here we go. Yeah, that drops straight down though. That's still fine. That's like edge of circle 2.
Thank you. All right, y'all. Not very good at this hole. There's not really a line that super. That scared me. I just heard someone laugh and it low-key freaked me out there for a second. Same. Some guy almost aced is what we're hearing. All right, but I'm going to try to split these trees on a little bit of Anheuser with my Halo Wraith and hopefully this wind will kind of keep it turning and then just kind of a soft fade out. So here we go. Oh, I'm not getting the tree love today. It's tucked in here a little bit. Yeah, there's not anything here, so we're just going to pitch out, make sure I'm in the middle, and throw a shot now. No, I could not have. It's too much risk, not enough reward. I'm going to throw my Razor Claw 3 at it. I'm going to spike it, give it a run to go in, but I'm not expecting it to. Just want to make sure I stay close. I wasn't really close. That's deep and that was dumb. I should have just laid up.
We're at my first shot. I have like a 50-footer look, kind of a tailwind. I'm going to just give this height for a run. If the wind drops it, that's even better. But if it doesn't, oh well. I just need to give it height. Oh, the wind didn't drop it enough. That's so sad. That's so sad. At least I have a tap in par as Noah goes for his par save. No, bogey save. There is a little bit of a headwind he has. So it's going to lift the disc up. Oh, and he kept the nose down. Oh. Yikes. Nicola Castro much? Just kidding. He's way worse. All right, tap in par. Double bogey? Double bogey, boys. That gives me 4 strokes.
I have no clue, but
We'll find out on the next hole.
back.
Nice catch. Hole 14, 289 feet. It goes straight and then bends straight to the right. You can kind of see the back pine trees that are straight. It's like 20 feet to the right of those. So I'm going to do a forehand, aim it at those trees, maybe a little bit of Annie. Hope it flares and skips and gets close. Going with my Draco if I haven't said that. Oh. I can maybe salvage bogey. Maybe.
Fist bump, that's a bad shot. Yes, you did. All right. Hang on, I'm just. Okay, I'm going with my Champ Wraith.
Halo Wraith.
That's what I meant, my Halo Wraith. I wish I had my Champ Wraith. I'm gonna pretty much do the same thing James did. Go for a skip shot. And now that the wind is up, I'm not going with this. Yeah, I'm going with my Felon. Gonna throw it flat. Hopefully get some skip. Just try to get close so I can hopefully maybe take 2 back from James. Because I've been in those trees, it's not good. I like it. It's right, but I got a dead skip, so I'll probably have like a 30-foot putt at it.
All right, I am kind of in the trees here. I don't have anything good, so I just essentially need to pitch out, do what Noah did on the last hole. I can kind of get greedy here and get a little bit more distance, so I'm going to try. I am in fact in the trees again. But hey, at least I went forward. I was gonna get the same score if I pitched out anyway, so might as well try and go for it and maybe save par. All right, my turn again. I am again in a tree where I have a look where I can get aggressive again without any trees being in the way. Here we go. That's not what I wanted. That's literally the same shot. Yikes. Maybe I should have just pitched up and out. We'll see.
All right, guys. So here's my lie. Am I outside of circle or am I just inside? Yeah. Outside. So I am just outside of circle. James has a putt for a bogey. I have a chance to take at least 2 back from him. So I really got to make this. And it's way too high. Icky, dude, I'm bad. Skip play. He made it. Just over the rim. Actually, no, I'm going to go Octane. I don't want to risk going OB at all. OB left. All right, guys, we are on hole 15. It is a 543-foot par 4. We play tall grass as OB because that's how tournaments play out here, and it avoids us like going OB and spending 35 minutes looking for a disc, even though we still do that, both of those things. If you were crazy, you could try and split, cut the fairway like this. With this wind and our arms, at least I'm not going to do it. So you really just kind of want to lay up just past this light pole, and the fairway cuts right to the basket. That's 543 feet that way. I'm going with my Octane to try and fight this headwind. I'm going to go left to this pole and give myself a shot into the green. Here we go. And that turned, so I really need it to fight back right. I've never been there. That's not a good shot. I'm definitely going to have to play this for a 4.
I thought that was going to go OB in that tall grass.
So OB long. Never done that. That'd be cool.
All right, I'm just going to do a layup play with my Draco. Kind of aim it left side of that pole, you see. So you get right side, kind of gets tricky with the tall grass. Comes in quick. So just throw it on hyzer around that layup. Hopefully I can get on top of the little hill. But let's do it. We're like in the same spot. We both have to play this for a par essentially because the footing there is really bad. Like I said back on the tee, this is awful footing, straight uphill with a strong left to right. It's not looking good for going aggressive. So I'm gonna go Phenom, Anheuser on the left side. Hopefully I push forward enough to get safe and it gets good distance where I can maybe get a bid for a birdie. That's in the middle. That's perfect. And now Noah shot. I'll move the camera.
Okay. All right, here I am at my Octane. This is, yeah, bad footing like James said. Just kind of giving this run up a little bit of a test. I'm going to go with a Wraith and aim it left on a little bit of hyzer because I know that wind will push it. And then hopefully there's a tree up there that I want to get next to because that's probably about 100 feet into the green, and that'll give me a nice, pretty simple layup. But I got to execute that shot first. So here we go. I don't think it's short. I think I'm good. I think I landed right where I wanted to. All right. Like I said, I'm probably about 100 feet from the basket. This is out of my jump putt range, so I'm just going to give it a little forehand with a razor claw and call it a day. Just want to get it close. Definitely don't want to go long because that's how you go OB. I'll call that good. Simple par, no reason to hustle for strokes.
All right, I'm way over here. I thought I was going to be a bit more right by this tree over here, but even over here isn't bad. I'm going to go with soft proxy, try and give it a run / throw in. Here we go. That was a good upshot, just not a good run, which I wanted it to be. Oh. Yeah. Oh. All right, you see a lot of extra disc because there's a short pad that we threw from, just see if we can get an ace. Noah taps in for his par, and this is for mine. Pars all around. That's not bad here. You would like to get the birdie, but from where we were, par is good.
All right, we are on hole 16, which is, I didn't look at it yet, a 385-foot par 3. This one, there's OB on the right, which does not favor me. It really is just right there. It's just all about hitting this gap. I need something that's going to fight this headwind, so I'm going with my Octane. But I got to be careful because if it doesn't turn or I release it early, I'm going to be OB very early, which would... There's already three... James is already up 3 strokes, so he's most likely going to take this. But if I go OB, then it's absolutely... I'm going to... You could always go OB, but I need to make sure that I'm not making mistakes so you can make yours. Wow, that turned that much. That was such a good kick. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. He finally got tree love. It took him 16 holes. But I'm going to go simple, Champion Wraith. I'm going to try and throw it flat or maybe a little bit of Annie, nose down. Have the wind turn it, keep it out of the tall grass, and skip and hopefully get close. And here we go. Of course, I threw it as soon as the wind picked up. So that's just gone. That's just gone. That was unlucky timing. All right, as you can probably tell, we're back into the wind, which is not the greatest. This is where I went out. So I'm throwing 3. So I really need to get up and down to save bogey. Oh, give me a tailwind putt. That's not bad. It's not bad at all.
All right, I got a wonderful tree kick right to the middle of the fairway. Only thing I have to contend with is some branches that kind of hang a little low, but I'm going to throw my Razor Claw 3 because I want the stability. I just got to make sure that this can actually glide for a little bit and I don't just turf it into the ground. So give it some good spin. Really? It's a tactic. Tactic on hyzer. And zero chance that I can run this without destroying myself, but I have to. I'm going to take my 30 seconds. No, I'm not. It's not going to stop. So that was a lucky reaction.
All right, you guys are not even. All right, there you go. So I'm right at the bottom of the screen. You can tell there's a strong right to left, which I actually kind of like for putts. Now it's down, so I'm going to go. That's a great bogey save. That's so good. You don't want to bogey this hole, but after going OB and having that upshot, that's not bad at all. I know it taps in for a bogey.
What am I okay with losing? Go Heimberg Destroyer. All right, hole 17, 279. We got OB on the right, left right here. Road is safe. And then just if you end up in these pine trees, your disc is gone. I would know. James is going to go a big spike hyzer, probably try to skip it off the road a little bit just because of the headwind. I have nothing that I really trust myself to throw, so I'm going to take this Heimberg Destroyer, put it on some hyzer, and try and take this and hope that nothing awful happens. So, yeah, I got to get some power for it, though, because of this raging headwind. I really should have thrown because now the wind's up. Just give it a second, see if it will die for me at all as it picks up even more. So we're just going to go. We're just going to go. We're just going to go. Please, I really don't want to lose this. All right, wind, thanks. I'm not going to throw in this. It's going to I don't want to lose my disc. Look at that hawk. That's kind of cool. Nature appreciation. All right. That's going. It's annoying.
Oh my.
How did it get pushed left?
Because once the disc stalls, it just gets bullied by the wind and wants to come back. All right, like Noah said, I'm just going to go Draco, flat, maybe hyzer, because this is, oh, you're good.
Tripod okay. Better be for 80 bucks.
All right, I'm just going to cut all that out. There you go. All right. Sorry about that, guys. You guys, I'll probably cut that out, but the tripod fell because of the winds. Now it's died down. I'm going to go Draco, hyzer, hope for the road skip. That's on the road. That's perfectly fine.
All right. We're at my shot. I'm deciding what I want to do. Screw it, I already lost, so I'm just going to try and throw it in. If it could just drop, that'd be sick. Okay.
All right, you can start it now, honestly. Okay. All right, we're here at My Lai. Honestly, this is tempting to run, but with this wind, it's just stupid, but I'm going to run it anyways, because why not? That was a terrible run. At least that one I hit chains. But yeah, this run has just been demoralizing in the wind. It's not been fun at all. Yeah. I'll commentate while Noah taps out. Yeah, when we were in the woods, it was nice and calm. But now we're back in the open where it's back to 30-mile-per-hour winds. So there's that. And it's just tough playing in these conditions and putting because you never know what the disc is going to do. But here it goes. And all this painted flag stuff, that's from probably like a league or a tournament that they had here recently. So we don't play by that. Great putt. That's a great bogey save. And then I'll tap in for my par save. All right, we're on the final hole here, 18. With 1 in play, I am 3 up. Noah is 7 up. I'm gonna play it safe and go 6-claw Undertaker. Try and throw it on some ante. Hope it stays like that and just push it straight. I'm trying to keep this low so it doesn't go too far left. But if I go too far right, that's not terrible either. But here we go. That's exactly what I wanted. I think that's pin high just on the right side. I should have a putt.
All right, I'm going C-line PD. I'm going to put it on hyzer. Hope the wind flips it up and just get out of here. And somehow the wind doesn't flip it. It's a headwind. Okay, glad this round is over.
So we're just going to call it there actually because, well, this round is actually... We're just going to call it here. The round's essentially over. Plus, it's been really windy. So I am the first monthly match champion.
That actually had audio.
Yes, that actually had audio. We plan to do this monthly, hence monthly match, but we're going to be at different courses for all our challenges and see who comes out on top by the end of the year. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Now for the shot of the day.